Let's make a plant bird nest together. For the nest, we're going to be using this coconut core basket liner. It was very large, like 8 inches, so I did have to cut off quite a lot of it to make it fit. For the growing medium, we're just going to put a bunch of random shit together and hope it works. For me, that was charcoal, cocoa perlite, worm castings, orchid bark. I don't know. Just throw shit in there. It should probably work. Okay, now we're just gonna plant random cuttings that we have around the house that we have no use for. That way we are being resourceful. For decor, we're using stabdom moss. I don't know how to pronounce that moss's name, if I'm honest. Look how bonita! Thank you for watching.